Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make objects emit light in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use monkey Suzanne. I switch it to material preview. I add the blue color and the gloss texture to monkey Suzanne. Now I go back to solid shading mode and make monkey Suzanne invisible. Next, we can add an object as a light. In this tutorial, I will make ring shape, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add the circle. I reduce the vertices to 8, and then go to Edit Mode, and make sure that we select Edge Selection and press E and S to extrude with faces. I go back to Object Mode. Next, select the ring, and then go to Modifier Properties, and then go to Add Modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Subdivision Surface Modifier. Add it and add Levels Viewport to 2 to make it smooth. Next, I make Monkey Suzanne visible and I push the ring to front and put it here, and I want to rotate in 90 degrees. So be negative 90 degrees. So this is the setup for lighting up monkey Suzanne. Now I switch to render preview and switch to cycles. We can see that there are not any lighting. So we can use an object light up monkey Suzanne. I select it and select the object and go to material properties, and then go to add a new material and go to emission. We can increase strength to 10 to lighten up it. So this is how we can make objects emit light in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.